Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. Today we will start from the second lesson of Noorani Qaida, and today we will read from the second part like the so I hope you did it and you practice your lesson very well. So today we will start from the next letter, and the next letter you can practice with me. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سامي بايا يا نون جا تايا سايا نون بلام نون بلام تا نون لام تا نون لام بايا لام بايا لام يا تلام يا تلام. You can see here there is two letters here. The first one is ya and the second one is ta. I told you that before the first part in the first lesson of Noorani Qaida. Ya have two dots on the bottom of this letter and ta have two dots on top of it. Okay, if you forget it, then you remember that two dot on the if there are two dot on the top of this letter, then you call it ta, and if there are two dot on the under of this letter, then this one is a ya. Okay, ya talam, ya talam, and the next one is here sa salam, sa salam, and the next one noon ba noon, noon ba noon. Okay, so the next page is here. Okay, can you see? Ba noon noon, ba noon noon. Noon have two times here. First time it has in a short sound, short shape, and the second one you can see here in the full shape. Ba noon noon, ba noon noon. The next one is here. Ya tayanun, tayanun. And the next one. Ya tanun, ya tanun. And the next one is here. Sasanun, sasanun. And the next one. Jim, ha, kho. And the next one also two letters here. Hasa, hasa. خوابه خوابه. And the next one is here. جیمتا جیمتا. تحت تحت. And the next one is here. Ya jimba. You can see here Jim has one dot on the bottom of this letter, and this shape is Jim. Okay, don't forget it. Sometime we can't understand this one, so that's why remember that if there is one dot on the bottom of this letter, then this one is a Jim. You can see here every letter have same shape here, like the first one is Jim, Ha, and Ha. Every letter are same shape, but you can understand Kha has one dot on top of it, Jim has one dot on the bottom of this letter, and Ha has one dot. Ha has no dot on the top or bottom. There is a difference between them. I told you that before from the first lesson. Okay. So the next one is here bakhata, bakhata, and the next one ta, ha. You can see here these two letters have same shape, but there is difference between them. The first difference is sound, and the second difference is just two dot on the top. If there are two dot on the top, then you read it ta, and if there are no dot on the top or bottom, then you read it ha. There is the difference between them. Okay, ta, ta, ha, ha. And the next one is here bata, bata, and the next one is here yaha, yaha. Look at the letters. I told you that before. If there are two dots on the top, then you call it ta. That's why I'm reading from here bata, and if there are no dot on the top or bottom, then you read it ha. That's why I read here ha sound. Okay, and the next one is here taha, taha. This shape is ha. Okay, this shape is ha, taha. Don't make a mistake here. So listen it very carefully. Okay, taha. And the next one is here. You can see here one dot on the top, and second one is here two dot on the top. So the first one is noon ta. This letter is noon ta, and the next one is here ha, ha, and the next one ya haba, ya haba, and the next one is here ba ha alif, ba ha alif, and the next one is here Bahamim, Bahamim. Okay, and the next one is here Dal, Zal, and the next one Jim Dal, Jim Dal, and the next one is here Khazal, 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 and the next one is here Ra, Za, Ya Ra. This shape of Ra. The first shape is Ya, and the next one is Ra here. And you can see here there are two dots on the bottom of this letter. That's why we are understand this one is a Ya, the shape of a Ya. That's why we are reading Ya Ra, Ya Ra, and here is two dot on the top. So this one is Ta. Yes, this one is Ta. Taza, Taza, and the next one is here Ra, Za, Jim Ra, Khaza. Okay, you can just read like here. This is the last letter of this qaida, and the next letter you can just practice here, like Sin, Shin Lam, Sin Lam, Sad Ba, like that. And thank you for watching my video. Jazakallah, and practice your lesson very carefully. Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah.